close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Said I'm close to baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad.
Hi guys, how are you? How are you doing? So today we're going to talk about first of all guys, I'll tell you what is the particular reason why I have purchased this cycle. This cycle is so important for me. There are things which you need to consider before buying the cycle. See, for me, I'll tell you what is the reason I have purchased the cycle. This is like for a short visit in and around maybe 5 kilometers or something. If you want to buy something like groceries, those things are getting hectic. I have to go with the scooter, have to purchase all these things. So there are those are the reason, like mainly for groceries, buying groceries and other things in and around maybe 4 or 5 kilometers. That is the reason I have purchased this cycle. First is that. Second is, that is the reason I wanted to install lot of bags, saddle bags, baskets and other things. It is not going to be, some of you may not be interested in this accessories, but why would you want to do all these things in your bike? See, day before, a few days back, I went to groceries to a local market. So what happens is, you know how local markets are. So I went to local markets to purchase something, and it worked as a shopping cart. So it was just 4 kilometers away from here. So it was so easy. And evening I wanted to go for cycling with my daughter. That is one more reason. And there are a few other reasons where I wanted to go for cycling. So that is the reason I have purchased this cycle. So buy this cycle only when it is, and buy these accessories only if it meets your purpose. So think about it and buy it if you want. Okay. So right now I have purchased few accessories for my cycle. This is I have installed one saddle bag. And I wanted to buy a saddle bag, and then I wanted to buy a bell. I have purchased a bell, that is a between bell, and then between center stand, cycle stand, and then a few other accessories. So we will see that. Okay, we will see what all the accessories I have purchased. I have invested this money in this accessories because this would help me in a long run. Whatever I have purchased has got a good review, and it is really working great. It is working awesome. The second thing I wish to discuss is people are buying e-cycles for kids. That is absolutely wrong. I don't agree with that. So let's get into the video and see what are the accessories I have purchased. What is the load capacity of this saddle bag? Let's see the load capacity of this cycle, and let's see other things. Let's find out how it works. And I don't have a very big purchase. It is a very small purchase. So let's get into the video.
Okay guys, so first we will do some unboxing from Amazon. So these are the things which I have purchased from Amazon. First is the saddle bag. The saddle bag is a Golden Rider saddle bag, which costed me around 1,500. It was delivered immediately in Hyderabad. This comes with a waterproof cover. This is not a waterproof bag completely, but it comes with a waterproof cover. I will show you that. This is connected with each other. There are two bags. You get two bags, and this is a Velcro which you get. So you can attach it to the pannier rack of the cycle. So it will stay in this bag. This Velcro will ensure that your saddle bag stays in place. It has a buckle clip, and then the zip is it has a good zip, two-way zip, and where you can attach a lock. Okay, so this is the waterproof cover which I'm talking about. You can put it on top of the bag, and this bag is, as such, it is not a waterproof. I'm just telling you again, it is not a waterproof bag. At least they have given this, so I'm happy about it. And I like the Golden Riders saddle bag. So it has a very good capacity. and I have tested, and I am able to carry around 6 kgs or 7 kgs on each side. So it was very helpful when I use it for groceries, like other things. And you can also put in your laptops, because it has a cushion. And but you make sure that you don't write this with the laptop inside, and you write it in a rain. And it has a pouch, a netted pouch, so you can put something. So you have got a reflector, as you see that. That's a very good reflector. It's very bright in the night on the one side. So coming to the next purchase, this is a Tarkan phone cover, which costed me around 400. I will give you the link whatever I have purchased. Please go to Amazon and you can purchase it there. It's so easy. This is a very good. This has got a very good review, and wherein you can place your phone. And I have tested. I personally have tested everywhere, and it is working fine. So this is the phone mount for cycle. It is 360-degree rotatable. I am trying to mount iPhone 6s Plus. It's little difficult, but it is going in. I'm able to fix it. I'm able to put it in. Once you are used to it, it will be easy for you to mount it. So this is how it looks, and it does not affect or touch any buttons. So this helps me. But please note that this is for cycle use, and it is not like a car mount where you can operate it. It just stays there. After some time, for maps or something like that, you can use it. That's what the purpose is. So it works good. I like it. The next purchase is Decathlon. There are few more things which I have purchased in Amazon, but before that we will look at this Decathlon thing. This is the Decathlon box. For around 4,000 I have purchased saddlebags. There is 4 saddlebags, 2 for myself, my cycle. I have 3 cycles, so I wanted 2 saddlebags for my cycle and 2 saddlebags for my daughter's cycle. That is what I have decided. So I have purchased around 4,000 rupees, and I will give you the link for this as well in the description. Please visit Decathlon app and you can purchase it there. It is not available in store, so it is always available in the app only. So if you look at this box, it has got 4 saddlebags. Okay, let's see. First, this is one saddlebag. This is a waterproof saddlebag which costed 1,500 per bag. One bag is 1,500, so 2 bags will cost you around 3,000. And this is one more bag which costed around 800 rupees. So first we will look at this. This is a 20-liter waterproof saddlebag. Okay, this has got a loop light compatibility. This stays in place with the help of this plastic clips, and you can carry it on with the rope provided. Okay, this stays in place with the unscrewing this. There is a screw, so you will have to unscrew that and mount it onto the cycle. And this one you will have to turn it so that it will stay in place. It will not move forward or backward, and that is the purpose of this. I don't know why they have provided this rope. So this has got 2 screws to mount. So each and every time you mount and unmount, you will have to screw and unscrew it. So beware of it. This is a waterproof bag. This finish and the look is awesome, looking really great. Very premium. Looks very premium. The Velcro is there to attach it to the cycle. But this is how you fix it to the cycle. Pannier rack. So this is how you open it. It has a pad on the back side, and it is not having any cushion, so you cannot put your laptops and complicated or delicate electronic items. Just maybe for carrying some stuff like clothes and other things, this can be very helpful. So if you look inside, this is the bag as such. So you have got a pad, and this is the depth of the bag. Depth width and other things. So these are the dimensions. It looks dimensions, as I am not telling you as a number, just look at it. This is a pillow where you can load this. This one goes in completely, but you have to squeeze it. And please note that bigger things like motorcycle helmet will not go in. So see, this goes in. If it is like a cloth, this much of cloth and other things, lightweight things, you can carry here without any issues. But I don't think it will withstand around kgs of 6 kgs on each side or 7 kgs on each side. I don't think that is possible, because it stays with the help of what do you call, a small clip, and that is what I am very much worried about. I don't know how long it's going to stay in place. The pad is provided, it is solid and it looks very neat, nice. I am liking it. So coming to the next purchase, next is one more bag, the same bag. I actually have purchased two bags for one cycle, so I have purchased 6 bags for 3 cycles. So this is the other bag, between bag, which is costing me around $8.99 or something. I'll give you the link for this as well. So this has got some pad on the back side. This is not a waterproof bag, so this clip goes into the pannier rack, and you will have to tie this velcro to make this bag stay in place. And it has a blue light compatibility, and this is the reflector you get, and you don't get any other major reflector. And even this one does not have any cushion in it, but it has got a pad for the cycle side. Okay, this is the depth. Maybe you can put this pillow. If you squeeze it, you will be able to put one pillow here. That's it. So this is the amount of cloth you will be able to put inside. So the MRP is 3000, but you can get it for 899 or something from Decathlon app. This is one more bag. This is the first ever time I am not liking this Decathlon bag. They could have given some cushions for carrying a few delicate items. And this is the other bag, the same style. As I told you, I have purchased 6 bags, 4 from Between and 2 from Amazon. So there are a few other things which I have purchased from Decathlon and Amazon. The first is the cycle carrier, the bell, and the center stand, which I am not showing up here. Maybe in next video I am going to show you. But this one is handlebar mount, which will help you in mounting some extra additional devices like light, horn, phone mount, and camera mount. All these things you can mount it here. It is a finger size. If you see, look at the rod, it is only a finger size. It is made up of aluminum, and it's very lightweight, and it's very delicate to handle. And the next thing is this is purchased. This one I purchased for seat post on the. I wanted to mount it on the seat post. So this looks very solid, and it has lot of pouches and other things. It has got a netted thing inside. This has got a battery operated light. So you can 3 modes: solid, blinking, solid, flash, and then speed flash. So these are the 3 modes for this light, and then it has got a very good feel, but I am not able to place a very big bottle here. So that is one thing. So I will also show you when I mount it to the cycle in the next video. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Have a good day, and please subscribe and share my videos, and definitely I will come up with a lot of interesting posts, and request you to please leave your feedback and comment. Thank you. Bye.